Hello, dear participants. Today we will learn how to drill, use a drill, and make a hole on a steel piece with hand drill. Uh, if you don't have one of these, like the drill press, by the way, it's very important tool for machining. It's one of the most important tool of machining. So if you're really into this and if you really want to do some projects with metal, or if you want to use your projects, if you want to use metal in your projects, you should definitely have one of these. Get one of these. So firstly, you should have a steel piece. We have this steel piece, but it is precious piece, so I will not use it. But for testing and learning, I have this unimportant piece. So firstly, you should decide where to drill. For example, if you want to come 1 inch this way, here is 1 inch. You make a you rub here and come around and 1 to 1.5 inches. Drop there 2, and here you want to drill. And after marking the place you want to drill, you should put you should hammer there with some carbide or screwdriver, so the drill gets a point to drill on. If you wouldn't have a point to drill on, it would be definitely harder to drill. So we put a mark like this, tiny mark. Come to light. This tiny mark has lots of influences on drilling. So we put the mark, and then we should choose the drill size we would like to use. I choose this size. I choose 4.5 millimeters. I choose this drill. I want a 4.5 millimeters hole. So, secondly, you should check your drill's ways. So you have this sharp edge. Those edges are cutting edges of drill bit. So if they are going to like this, you should use your drill to right ways, so it should turn on this direction with the same direction this turning, and tighten your part. So if it turns the other ways, it wouldn't drill, and you will probably break the bit. So secondly, you fix your drill bit to the drill chuck. Put your drill in the right turning mode, and put your drill in clockwise turning, and hold its chuck. It will stick on it and get tighter with the your drill's motor. Like press, give it some gas and hold it. It will get tightened, and check it's okay. It's turning flat. It wouldn't like make a up and down. Stick your piece into your clamp. I sticked my piece into clamp, make it tight so it doesn't goes anywhere. So put your drills onto where you pointed. Put it on the point. Start turning easily. After you give it some mark, you should definitely want to put some machine oil, so your drill bit gets too hot and nut cutting gets broken. Don't press too hard on it, it might broken. Make sure you're holding the drill perpendicular to piece. Slowly drill your piece, slowly and easily. So we drilled our hole, and I would like to give a tip for you. If you want to drill your hole with a bigger size drill, like this 10, you should definitely drill a little hole than you wanted, and switch the other drill bit, the real size you want. So you would give less damage to this and the part, and it would be probably faster and easier. So let's see. As you go, we put our drill on the little hole and start drilling again. Give it some oil. Give it some little oil too, little more oil. As you see, we drilled it pretty easily. So let's clean up there with our tool. So as you see, we drilled our hole. Let's see how hard to get directly drill this size. As you see, there's no dots. I will directly start on somewhere. Firstly, if you start without a hole, your drill bit slip on the piece and go somewhere you don't want to drill. For example, like this. As you see, it bounces on the piece. Like I start to feel it goes here, and it's hard to keep on the place. If you press, you might be able to control it, but it will be probably and definitely harder. So as you see, it's not starting easily and taking the material, it's not gripping the material. It is harder to drill without a pre-hole. That's it. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Nasrettin Hoca. Goodbye.